Fill your image with colourful dots in seconds in Photoshop. Go to the Brushes panel and select the soft round brush in the General Brushes. Select the Paintbrush tool. Set the size to about 260. Go to the Brush Settings panel, you can find that in the Window menu. Then go to Shape Dynamics, set the size jitter to the max. Go down to Colour Dynamics and then set the foreground and background jitter to the max. Set saturation and also brightness jitter and also hue jitter to the max as well. Then go to Scattering and then set the scattering to the max as well. And apply. This also can be done with other brushes, so go and select this brush. Then simply go to the Brush Settings and again go through Shape Dynamics, set the size jitter to the max, Scattering to the max, and also go down to here, Colour Dynamics, and then set that to the max and all these settings like 100%, etc. and then apply. And now you've got this design very quickly in Photoshop.